Welcome back to Fishing with AJ and Austin. Something blew up right when I hit the water. Right next to it. There it is!
Whoa, what was that?
What was that?
Alright, so we're back at it again today. We're on a big fish lake, so hopefully we can catch at least a couple. It's for a challenge. I don't know if AJ has something in mind, but it's pretty windy, so we'll see what we can do out here. Hopefully where we're going, the wind's not gonna be too bad. It's a plan anyways. So yeah, what do you think about for that challenge?
I don't know. Either maybe try some topwater or see if we can do like a mega bag. What do you think?
We'll give it a shot. This lake's, for me, it's pretty inconsistent, so sometimes we catch 20 plus bags and then sometimes we don't do so hot. So I guess we'll see, but we'll give it a shot.
These weights aren't magnetic, what? Oh yeah!
It's not big. Scare the crap out of me.
It blew up on it, didn't it?
Yeah.
Nice!
Jeez. Okay, there's the first one. Lost my shoe. Not huge, but it's number one, so. What was that thing?
I don't know why you're with her. Calm down. Without getting stuck in the tree.
Yeah. Not the species we're targeting. They like it when it's on top of the water.
Yeah.
I was just reeling on this guy too. Oh, come on now. Stuck in these 2-pounders for now.
Alright, so for my topwater, I'm gonna try the buzzbait today. See how well it works. I don't know, we might switch it up and see. Austin just had a fish on a jig and he was using it on top of the water. He was just reeling in, so we're gonna give this a shot. right when I hit the water. Right next to it. There it is!
Whoa, what was that?
What was that?
I don't know, cast it back out there. Jeez.
Oh my god, see? Holy crap. That was giant.
Whatever that was huge, man.
Oh my.
There it is.
Holy crap.
Northern?
Yeah.
Looks like it. Oh yeah. There you go. There you go. Oh, good one.
Oh my gosh.
Just let him fight for a little bit.
Holy crap.
Alright. So this is what AJ caught on our buzzbait. Working towards that mega bag, you know, if this counted, we'd be doing pretty good.
Yes.
So, yeah. This is a reason why we don't use a lot of jackhammers in Minnesota, because these things just eat them, even though I was on a buzzbait, but still.
Still, yeah.
That was quick.
Yeah. Was that second cast on a buzzbait?
Yep. Second cast. Yeah, no giant, but we're gonna keep plugging away here. So you just see this crap that we're fishing is just big.
Yeah.
What the heck was that?
I don't know, something's right here.
I guess that was a bass.
Over here?
The one that I missed, because a northern would have came back and probably ate this thing.
Right.
Something's up there. Way up on shore. Oh, see, missed it. See that?
No. I was getting weeds up. Came back, huh?
Oh. Come on, hit it. Hit it, bud.
You see that? Something blew up by mine. Come get it. Now I just have a big weed.
Dude,
Where?
come on. Freaking fish. Eat it. Don't miss it.
Show us how hungry you really are, fish.
They're really not digging the frog, that's for dang sure, dude.
Or the wacky rig. Buzzbait's like Iffy.
It was like right here. And just missed it. Came up to suck it up.
There you go.
Oh, God, it got off.
Oh my God.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I did.
Was it any size?
I mean, kind of.
I wasn't looking, dude.
Why? Every time I go to freaking record too, I don't get it.
Okay, come back for a third time. That was on me.
Third time's a charm.
Oh, it got off again. What the heck? Okay, 4. Come on, man. What the heck?
4th time's a charm?
Oh, great. He's like, I gave you 3 chances. 3 strikes and you're out. This thing's acting weird now. Oop. Okay. How bad do you want it?
How hungry are you?
I mean, how big do you think it was?
Probably like 3.
Is it a bass though?
Yeah. You looked away again.
All right. Hold on, I got a cure for this thing, okay? Oh, a little left. Okay, let's try. Bite it. Come on. Oh, great.
Oh, you're not using a tap water?
All right, now. I'm gonna switch it up here in a second. If he doesn't bite this thing though. Oh, there's one.
There you go.
Oh, that was dumb.
That was definitely not the one that blew up on your frog.
Sure? I saw him right here. He was right next to the boat. And I saw him. And then as soon as I saw him, I stopped my jig and he just turned and freaking made a beeline for it. Okay. Try to catch this other one though. Oh, right there. That's money. Come on. Oh, there he is. He's on there. He's in there, dude.
That's
Oh, yeah.
definitely the one that blew up on you.
Look at that one, dude.
Oh my God.
Finally, got some size.
That's a certified pig. Yes.
So that was an action-packed few minutes. Finally got a decent one. We're gonna weigh this one just to check them out. So here we go. 4 1/4. Oh,
What? Nice. Oh yeah.
you can blow up on it though.
You did it?
No, you just sucked it up. Go.
Earlier. It's slowed down now a lot. Water temp is 73. Yeah, I got one.